Chase versus Bank of America. Which bank is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which bank is better among Chase and Bank of America. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Chase. Chase has a large number of branches and atoms across the US, making it convenient for customers who prefer in-person banking. Chase offers a comprehensive suite of banking products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and investment options. Also provides robust business banking services, including business checking accounts, credit cards, and loans. The Chase mobile app is feature rich, allowing customers to manage accounts, deposit checks, pay bills, and monitor investments, offering attractive reward programs, particularly with their credit cards, such as Chase Ultimate Rewards. Somehow, many Chase accounts come with monthly maintenance fees, although these can often be waived by meeting certain requirements. Chase's savings accounts and CDs typically offer lower interest rates compared to online banks. They have a more complex fee structure with fees for various services that may not be transparent to all customers. Now let's come towards Bank of America. Extensive network of branches and atoms across the US, providing convenient access to in-person banking services. Offers a wide array of banking products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and investment services through Merrill Lynch. Offers competitive rewards programs, particularly for credit card holders and preferred rewards members. Access to Merrill Edge for investment accounts, providing a seamless integration between banking and investment services. Multiple support channels, including 24/7 customer service, chat, and in branch assistance. Somehow, many Bank of America accounts come with monthly maintenance fees, though these can often be waived with direct deposit or maintaining a minimum balance. As a large national bank, some customers may experience less personalized service and longer wait times for assistance. Savings account interest rates are generally lower compared to those offered by some online banks and other competitors. Choosing between Chase and Bank of America in 2024 depends on your banking needs and preferences. Chase offers a broader branch network and rewarding credit card options, while Bank of America provides strong financial tools and widespread ATM access. Consider your priorities for fees, customer support, and accessibility to determine which bank aligns best with your financial goals. That's all for this video.